don't know if I will see my luggage today or not. Our first trip to the Guwahati airport. I think it might be an international airport, but I'm not sure. And I will also try to find a coffee. Let's see if I can find it. Otherwise, we'll do it. So welcome back to the channel, and today we are flying from New Delhi to Guwahati, a 2-hour, 1400 kilometer journey. And right now we are leaving from Terminal 2, Delhi Airport. Guys, I'm ready with my whole thing. And yeah, see you on the flight. And I hope it's a good one. And I really hope you like the Terminal 2 tour. Kind of it's a tour. And yeah, see you on the flip side. Guwahati, the largest city in the northeast, is where most journeys begins to the northeast. It's the gateway to Meghalaya, the Kaziranga National Park, and almost all the Seven Sisters. From here, most travelers head to Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya, which is around a 3-hour drive through the scenic hills. You can also visit the Kaziranga National Park, home to the famous one-horned rhinoceros, around 4 to 5 hours from the city. Guwahati is also well connected to states like Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh, making it a perfect starting point to explore the northeast. Guys, we're in the flight and you like the journey? Yeah.
जो यात्री गुवाहाटी में उतरेंगे उनसे निवेदन है सुरक्षा जांच के लिए अपना बोर्डिंग कार्ड हाथ में रखें आगे 6E20 थैंक यू
Passenger, please remain seated. Cabin crew is outside.
So welcome to Lokpriya Gopinath Bordolai International Airport, named after Assam's first Chief Minister. So guys, we are at the belt number 1 and we'll get our bags at the belt number 1. So yeah, I'll get my bags and I also have to call the cab driver, the cab guy. He's gonna pick me up. So let's see what awaits. I think it's gonna take me 1 hour to my destination, where I will stop and then I will head out to my next destination, which I think you will like to know. So stay tuned. Waiting for the luggage. It's been 10 minutes. I don't know if I will see my luggage today or not. Guys, finally the bag is here. And now I think so the driver has already called me and we will check. I will check if there is coffee here, and if not, like, we will go to the driver. And yeah, I just wanted to show you the airport. It's not bad at all actually. I think they have a lot of things, like, yeah, check it out. Yeah guys, I will just quickly check out the airport, but yes, I think it looks nice, not bad at all. And I'm just checking. I think there are still some things. I think it's an international airport as well. I am not sure if it is, but it can be. And yeah, I just wanted to show you the photo spot as well. Like, this is the photo spot. And I think I should get a photo here somehow. I will try to get one. So yeah. Let me try to get a photo. Let's see if I can get a photo. And yeah, I'll just keep it as a memory tool, right? So yes guys, time to go out and meet the driver. So yes guys, I was right. It is an international airport because there is an international transfer area. So yeah, you can see. So yes guys, time to go out now. So yes guys, we are at the arrival and it's a super nice airport, I think. So they also have a Starbucks coffee center, I think, around the arrival. So yeah, you can see. And this is the arrival area. So yeah, I will go out and I will try to meet my driver. So yeah, I will wait for him and see where he is. So this flight may have ended, but the stories have just begun. And if you liked this one, hit like, subscribe and join me as I keep exploring for stories that stay.